Howdy everybody, good day, good evening. It looks like my desktop audio and my mic audio are all correct, and this 2D template needs a few bug fixes. That's all I'm going to be able to do for right now. I've been home shopping and it has been a nightmare. So with that said, I'm sorry for vanishing. That's where I've been. I should be around more often soon, probably within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So on the 2D template, let's start off with the quest system. The quest system is going to be mainly in the widgets. The first bug is going to be turn-in quests. I believe it's this one. And the first bug is going to be an issue in the event graph where right here, I think. It's been a while, cope with me. We are checking for an equal amount. So if there's 2 stacks, then it's not going to turn in. This has to be a greater or equal node. It needs to be greater or equal than the items checked. So now if there is more than 1 stack, your quest will turn in. Easy peasy. Let's see. That one's done. The next one is going to be compile and save. The next bug fix is going to be in the blueprints. Storyline and on the sign. Oops, let's make that just a little bit bigger. Perfect. So I believe I opened up the wrong one. I need the widget for this one. This one's also going to be in widgets. And merchant, load screen, chat window. That's the one. So let's graph. We are communicating with the blueprint itself and what exactly was going on here. Maybe I did need that other one. And blueprints, storyline, and the sign. And if you didn't know, you can duplicate this and just make a new sign if you need more than 1 sign. And this is where we're going to set all of our text. And I'm going to add just a bunch of crap here to see what's going on, because it's in my notes that there's an issue. So if we hit play, and we go to the sign, and we hit E for interact. Oh, that's what's going on. We are not auto-wrapping text. That's kind of important. So let's open this up, and in our widget blueprint chat window, we want to go to designer. We want the chat to be justified from left to right. And where is auto wrap? Wrapping. Auto wrap text. We're going to click that box on here, and on the name, it's justified to center. And let's auto wrap that as well, just to be safe. Compile and save. And now when we hit play, let's start game. Let's interact, and now our jargon is auto-wrapped. Good deal. So that's another bug fixed. The next one, let's do game logo on main menu. So if we go to our widgets, and we go to main menu, not everybody is going to want this text right here that says main menu. So we are going to add an image. To this canvas panel. 1 second, let me double check. Image, quit button, canvas panel, perfect. Scroll that down a bit. Scroll that down a bit. And let's bring in one more image to this canvas panel. We are going to put it right up here. Make sure that it's parented to this canvas panel. And this is all going to be in the update. It's not a whole lot that you have to worry about. I'm just going over bug fixes so anybody can see how to do the same thing in case if they run into similar issues. So this one we're going to anchor to the top middle of this canvas panel. This is going to be your game logo, and let's just move it down ever so slightly to here. And next up, the offset on this canvas panel is size X and Y. I always get these mixed up. Let's do 666. And that should pretty well cover it. This image right here that we just added on is a variable, and we're going to rename it to game logo. Compile and save. So in the event graph, when we're pulling from our player reference, we want to set our game logo that can go. We don't need that. Let's see. So on event construct, is it mobile? We also, let's see. We also want to go down here. We want to grab our game logo and set image. I'm a little bit rusty. Cope with me for a second. Let me look at my notes. Don't need that. I swear this phone goes off at all the most inopportune times. Character select. Oh, I did it different on this one. That's okay. And oops, that's character select. I'm doing all this off screen. Oh, I'm sorry guys, this is my broker. Let me check my notes and get back to my loan officer. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna pause this for a second. Alrighty, sorry about that. So we are done with the sign. We don't need that slop anymore. Compile and save. Don't need that. Compile and save. Don't need that. So on game logo, it looks like I have not done much other than set style. So for now, until it's updated, and this is not a critical update, this is aesthetics. Canvas panel, and then that guy goes down. Just like that. And we'll move these down a little bit. Perfect. And just for specifics, image 1006, Z order is 0. Z order is 0. Main menu text, Z order is 0. And it seems like I changed the Z order on something here. Z order 0. Alright, so instead of having the main menu text, you can just highlight your game logo, and then you brush, where is it? Right here. You just use your image right here. For instance, I want the 2D background. It's done. That's my game logo. And if you want to get rid of the main menu text, you go to your Sidescroller character, demo, blueprints, and the text, if I remember right, is set somewhere down here. Modular widgets. Did I not use? I guess there is no text set. So, ignore this. on your main menu, go to main menu text and just click search for up here, visible, and set that to hidden if you don't want the text there. I could have swore I made that modular. I guess not. Nope, it all checks. Alrighty, so that is not necessarily a bug, but that's how you add the main menu stuff. I could have swore I made that modular. Compile and save. So, game logo on main menu, done. Oh, next one. Compile, save. Compile, save. We don't need those anymore. Next one is going to be in our 2D template. Blueprints, intelligent enemies, and I'm just going to slide this over and open them all up right quick. There is a bug I found. And where is it? Right here. We need setting size and flipbook. We need this right here. Delay until next tick on all of them. We no longer need this pin, so remove execution pin. Compile and save. And then we just do that for all of them, basically. And for the more visual learners, let's keep all this in the same video. Delay until next tick, and plug it in. Then we no longer need this pin. Remove execution pin. Compile and save. Let's go to the fourth enemy. Slide this right over. Delay until next tick. We no longer need that guy. Compile and save. Enemy 3. Delay until next tick. We no longer need that execution pin. Compile and save. Almost done. Last one. Almost there, guys. And again, this is an update. It's going to be done. This is stuff you're not going to have to worry about. But, in case if somebody wanted to learn with me, remove execution pin, compile and save. Now we are done with the enemies for now. The next parts of this update I'm gonna do in a different video, like add shoot button, interactable NPCs need to use a tag. That's a big one. This one has been fixed with the other bug. And camera fades. How long is this? Oh, 20 minutes. That's gonna be about it for this one, guys and gals. And I will see ya in the next one. In the next videos, we are going to go through the interactable NPCs, and they need to use a tag so that the other NPCs, like the enemies and the roaming enemies, they can't trigger off widgets. We're also going to add a shoot button, and it looks like we're going to work on our max health potion and add camera fades. That's probably going to be 2 more 20-minute videos. But for this one, we are done. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope the world brings you good things.